What's up, guys? Me again. I'm back with Everything RCs. We're going to do an unboxing today, kind of a different one. We picked this up for painting our bodies because let me pan around. As you can see, we got a whole bunch of paint over yonder. So anyways, forgive the cameramanship. I just got a new tripod. We're trying to make these videos a little bit better. But anyways, let's do this. And quite stoked, I must say. Let's see. Pop that out. Just give her a little cut. Time for a new blade, obviously. There we have it. Ottawa. There's that. And then there's the guide. Quick speed guide, gravity feed. So, all sorts of good info there. I have no idea what this is. That's odd. But let's take a look at it. Wow. Should be pretty cool, guys. What do we have here? Nice. Then it comes with these cool daddy-os. Airbrush cleaner. We got opaque, whatever that is. Yeller. And blue. So, right on, right on. So this is pretty cool, guys. Pretty stoked out. What do I do what that's for? So anyways, we're going to be doing a lot more paint jobs here in the near future. So this is everything that this one comes with. So right on, guys. Let's see if that looks better if I turn that light off. Yeah, that's a little better. So I hope you like this video, and there'll be more to come. And we're going to be getting down with this bad boy right away. So hope you like it, guys. Please like and subscribe. This is Everything RCs. Out.